This isn't just another body kit STI. The S series of the STI has been sold in Japan for years. This is the first time in like 21 years we're getting one in America, and it's a pretty big deal. I mean, it's a full-on imported Japanese tuned, just awesome handling vehicle. Now, of course, it's not going to make the most horsepower. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. But this thing only has 209 of them made. So the fact that I even have one right now is pretty astounding. And you can only get it in two colors, this WRX Rally Blue, and I believe you can get it in white as well. That is it. So that is pretty cool. If you don't like those colors though, you're pretty much out of luck. Now coming to the outside of this, there are a lot of unique changes to this vehicle, and that's going to be, first of all, with this body kit that's surrounding the car. So wider wheel arches, you are going to have these nice like flicks and flares right here off to the side. They look really good. And then the side vent over here is going to be unique to the S209 as well as the S209 badge right down there. So that's just a few to start off with. Now as you come to the front, you are going to have this like aluminum piece right here. It's like a dark chrome kind of, a little bit more aggressive of a chin down here. And as you come over here to the front, you're gonna have S209 right there. Now you do have LED lights on this thing, so you have your signature LED daytime running light that this generation WRX has had since the beginning. And then of course your lights are going to be LEDs as well. You've got your signature Subaru STI intake right up there, fully functional, feeding the intercooler. It's mounted right on top of the engine bay. Then as we come around, you are going to have a little bit of a more aggressive side piece right here. And it's actually gonna say STI right down there at the bottom. And this does have unique Dunlop tires. So these tires were made specifically for this car. They're stickier, they're wider than a standard WRX STI, and they're also going to have these special forged aluminum wheels. And then of course you have even more aggressive brakes sitting behind there. These are Brembo brakes, 6-piston calipers, and they just obviously will do a great job with stopping power. Now these are going to be 265/35 tires, so I believe they're about a ½ an inch wider than a standard STI. I'll put the correct information here on the screen for you guys. But yeah, so that is pretty cool. Another interesting fact is, if you look here on the window sticker, I know it says it on here somewhere, but this is actually going to come with a $1,000 gas guzzler tax, because you're getting about 15 in the city, 21 on the highway. But Subaru actually covers that gas guzzler tax for you, which is a pretty cool little thing. I've never heard of a manufacturer doing that. Coming up here, you have a full carbon fiber roof, so hopefully you guys can see that carbon fiber right there. Then as you move back, you're gonna have an even more aggressive area located right here. It's really a good looking vehicle. It may be too like boy racer for a lot of people, but if you like that just old school Japanese tuned look, this has it in spades. Then you also have this huge S209 adjustable wing here. It has two positions. You have your standard positions, which I believe will generate about 45 pounds of downforce. And then in its most aggressive position, I think it's somewhere in the 60s. Once again, lots of numbers on this car, so I'll put the exact information here on the screen as well. And then you have a little bit bigger chrome tipped exhaust. Looks pretty good, pretty standard diffuser down here, and then your S209 badge right there. So let's go ahead and take a listen to how this engine sounds. All right, you guys, so once the door is open to the S209, you are going to have a really nice looking interior here. So this is just gonna be all black. You've got some like Alcantara Ultra suede accents going here on the door. This feels really nice and soft. You got some white stitching going here, white stitching right here as well. You're going to have all of your, of course, window controls, door locks, mirror controls, decent cubby space here. It is lined in felt, so that way it's not gonna make a lot of noise when you throw things down there. S209 branded door sill right there, S209 branded floor mats. You can have full aluminum pedals, power seat controls right here, and then you are going to have this nice mix of like white leather, black leather, and then just smooth ultra suede going throughout the middle. A little bit more aggressive Recaro seats that say STI in the middle. I think they look fantastic, really good looking seats, and it has S209 embossed in the top of the seat up there, if you guys can see that at all. But let's go ahead, hop in, and we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. All right, so to start the S209, because this is a stick shift, You gotta go foot all the way in on the clutch, and you're gonna push this button located right here. Nice. Now, first thing you're gonna notice is this all ultra suede steering wheel. Feels really good, though when you get sweaty, I'm not sure how well that'll age over time, but as of right now, it feels cool. You've got some stitching located right down here, which looks great. All of your corresponding buttons located right there. Media command, you're gonna have cruise control over here to the right. You're gonna have your wipers there, and then of course you're gonna have your lights, automatic lights, turn signals right there. Now, as far as the gauges, they're not super specific to the S209, just standard STI gauges. Coming up here, you're going to have more information here, and you're going to have your touchscreen right here. Like I said, I'm just kind of skimming through this because there are a lot of people interested in this car, so I don't want to take up too much time with this. STI badging right there, STI badging located right on top. Shifter, the gates feel good. Pull up over to the right, down to throw it into reverse, and you have your backup camera that comes up, which is a decent quality backup camera. And yeah, the lines don't turn with the steering wheel, but that's not a huge deal. This is going to have your number plaque right here, so this is number 19 of 209. All of your different controls here to put into sport, sport sharp, intelligent, SI drive, and you can control how much power is sent to the diff between front and rear right here, which is pretty cool. Manual e-brake, which is good to see. Cup holders, armrest, which is that same ultra suede material. Seat heaters right there. Decent amount of space. You have 2 USBs and then an auxiliary and a 12 volt in there. It's going to say S209 over here to the right side. Of course, a lockable glove box. Mirror with your home link right